I left my high-paying job in Germany for a gamble, becoming a full-time YouTuber in Mexico. Get ready because I'm about to reveal some explosive YouTube secrets. Have you ever wondered, what if I started a YouTube channel and it became successful? Imagine quitting your job to do what you love, earning good money while you're building your own YouTube empire. In this video, I will tell you the one secret you need to understand to succeed in the YouTube business in the long run. And if you don't get this secret, you most probably will fail. Spoiler, this is a lesson I learned the hard way after shutting down my first YouTube channel with over 1 million subscribers. Did you know that only 0.03% of all YouTube channels have more than 1 million subscribers? 0.26% reached the milestone of 100,000 subscribers. I've been there too, using such channel as my creative playground. I experimented with food vlogs, travel vlogs, storytelling, documentaries, videos with my dog, and most lately, podcasts. And here's a key takeaway. Want a really hard life as a YouTuber? Try a multi-format channel just like I did. Seriously, it's a tough road. Great for testing waters, but once you're done experimenting, narrow it down.
Hey and welcome to my very first video in this channel here. You're tuning into Diary of a YouTuber. In this section, I will share with you the day-to-day insights of a professional YouTuber, and I hope these insights prove valuable to you. As you might have already noticed due to my accent, I'm originally from Germany, and we're here in the beautiful Ciudad de Mexico con a lobster. Lucky. Psycho. Laut. Ist Platz. Back. Oh. I started my first YouTube channel almost 10 years ago, back then in Germany. I had this crazy idea, why not a guy speaking Spanish, but the guy not being a native speaker. I lived in Mexico, I lived in Spain, so my Spanish was already quite okay, I would say. So I told my brother about this idea and also my new roommate. And then we formed a team and started with sketches. And was quite funny, but had not really the success we hoped for. And one day we were like wondering what could we upload next, because we were pivoting a lot, trying out new things. And I was like, why not to create kind of a story time? And from there, like, the channel kept taking off. And when we had around 100,000 subscribers, my roomie and we decided, let's quit our safe, well-paid jobs and try the adventure in Mexico, because our main audience was mainly from Mexico and the United States. But we still had to find out our perfect format. We pivoted a little bit more, then the vlogs became pretty successful, both the travel vlogs and the food vlogs. And we had the time of our life, traveling around Mexico, Germany, Colombia. Confronted with two significant challenges, my journey took an unexpected turn. The arrival of the pandemic and the sheer exhaustion from non-stop travel over 4 years. So I asked myself a simple question. Do I still want to create this kind of videos in 10 years? And my answer was no. My intention in creating this channel was to establish a business model that can adapt to my lifestyle. But instead, I kind of discovered that we had become enslaved to our own content. This was quite an epiphany for me, so I started a new channel with a way more flexible concept, not only based on traveling, and more significantly, I started my YouTube coaching business. And by coaching hundreds of other creators, I feel like I took the next step in my evolution, because this granted me essential insights to the best cases on YouTube and the most common pitfalls.
But hold on, we're not yet at the crux of it all. In order to understand this one secret to succeed in YouTube, you have to understand the 3 phases normally every YouTuber go through when they start out. Phase 1, the main topic problem. You don't know really which main topic to build your channel concept around. Let's say you want to do a channel about history. Should you do a channel about the history of mankind? Or Asian history, European history? The solution here is to balance experiments with consistency. So you split test topics within your broader main theme. And after doing this, let's say for 5 up to 10 videos, you will notice which are the topics that work best for you and for your audience. And once you got that, nail it down. What you never ever should do is to be too random. You can destroy your channel. Let's say one day you make a video about teaching dog tricks, and the other day you make a video about how to paint your nails, and the other day about cars. This is too random. So the key here is viewer first. Think what would be the next best content that they can click on, and then after that they will also watch other videos on your channel. Phase 2, the growth problem. Once you figure out what might work for you on YouTube as a main theme, then you notice, damn, and what about the titles and the thumbnails, and how can I combine topics now within my main theme so that they will continuously attract new viewers to my channel while I also make happy my already existing viewer base. If you want more viewers to click on your horizontal videos, you need to know this golden triangle: topic, title, thumbnail. The challenge here is, if a video did not perform as well as you hoped for, you don't know whether to blame the topic, the thumbnail, or the title, or maybe all three of them are bad. So where do we begin? Topics first. Why? Because with a shitty topic you can still make a world-class thumbnail and a world-class title, but still your video won't get any traction on the platform because it isn't appealing to your audience. But this does not mean you don't have to learn how to make world-class titles and world-class thumbnails. Yes, you should. Because a great topic with a mediocre thumbnail and a mediocre title won't get the traction it could get. Enhance your chances constantly of going viral on the platform by tuning topics, thumbnails and titles for growth. How to do that? Soon here on this channel I will upload a complete YouTube mastery course, so stay tuned and subscribe. And in the third phase we have the operation problem. How can I produce a lot of content smarter, not harder? So typically what we want to do here on YouTube is to produce the main content, a horizontal video, and then we should see how can we get the maximum amount of highly potential viral shorts out of your video and upload these two. The awesome thing here is that we can connect the shorts with the YouTube video. So YouTube Shorts really can be the gateway to our content empire with our large videos. So in order to do this, we need a really smart workflow. So what we need are formats. Formats here refer to the style of the video or its genre. For example, there are vlogs, tutorials, podcasts, but you can also combine formats into one. The beauty of thinking your channel in formats is that you have to standardize, so you don't have to start all over again with every new video. So you can reuse certain blueprints, for example, when you make the script. Also while editing, it's a game changer if you have a standard what your product should look like. The key here is to create a process that is streamlined to put out lots of content in a high quality. I want you to know this. In 40% of all a month in the year, with my mainstream content, I earn more money on Facebook than on YouTube, because all of a sudden videos go like crazily viral there and you can earn a few grands extra. But still, YouTube for me is the mother of all platforms. Why? Because it has the best viewer retention across all platforms to build a loyal audience over the time. So now imagine this. You have a well-functioning main theme of your channel. It's even that good that viewers come back to your channel proactively. Your titles and thumbnails just convert fine. You're growing every month at a substantial rate. And you're putting out content all over the place, making extra money on YouTube Shorts and on Facebook. And here's the catch. Even in this situation, you could miss out on the biggest opportunity on YouTube. The real key to significant earnings lies in how well you leverage your YouTube audience for a larger business purpose. The riches are in the niches. True or not? Coaching hundreds of creators worldwide, the most profitable channels I've seen are often in a very specific niche. Their views might number in the thousands, not millions. Yet often they are far more profitable than other channels with much larger audiences. So what's their secret? Firstly, many of these successful niche channels have a way higher RPM. This is what YouTube pays you out per 1,000 views. I've seen a channel with 55,000 views on horizontal videos per month, out-earning a channel with 3 million views. But more crucially, these small channels often use their reach to promote product sales or high-end services within their niche. You might think now, but there is Mr. Beast almost making billions. Guys like Eric created their own creator platform, all the neck boys with their hard seltzer company. I mean, it's true, these cases exist and I've followed a similar mainstream path, but I've realized that such mainstream success stories are the exception and not the norm. I mean, if you're a kid with a dream of going crazily viral on YouTube, why not try it out with mainstream content? It might work, like in my case, but what I'm trying to tell you here is that there is a way that is way easier. So the secret key takeaway is this: YouTube and social media in general puts you in front of millions of eyeballs. Don't squander this potential. Instead, focus on these two strategies right from the beginning. Clearly define your target audience and your niche. Resist the temptation to go too broad in the beginning. Start offering a product or high-end service early on. It doesn't have to be perfect, you can refine it over time. So leverage your YouTube audience in a smart way. Don't make a monetization plan that only depends on views and sponsorship. Oh, and I've lived so many crazy stories as a full-time YouTuber. It has been quite a ride. So in the future, I want to help you with two things here in the channel. I want you to help to grow your own YouTube audience smarter, not harder, with proven strategies. I developed over the last 7 years as a pro creator a methodology that I've shared with other creators that generated over 500 million views. And I also want to help you to master the overall YouTube business so that you develop over the time multiple income streams in your own lucrative creator empire.
I still have spots left in my YouTube Accelerator program, so if you want to take your YouTube channel to the next level, check the description, click on the link, fill in your data, and soon we will be in contact.
By the way, look, he's super tired because he played with his favorite friend. Nos vemos.